Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing a few of my favorite lipsticks. Some of them I haven't worn in a while. Some of them are fall already. Some of them are whatever you want to wear it for. So if you want to see all of the colors I have, then stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so the first lipstick that I'm going to try out for you guys, this one is called Creme de Nude. It's by MAC. Right, so it's this nice nudie color. Trying to see which way. Right, alrighty. And I got this one during the Ulta sale, and this was $20. Not $20, it was $20, but I got it for $10. Okay, so first I'm going to line my lip with the MAC Chestnut Pencil. Alright, I'm going to put on the lipstick. So guys, some of these lipsticks are going to be like, you know, ones that you can wear during the fall. But for me, lipstick is lipstick, so you can wear them whenever you feel like it. But I'll have some darker ones that most people usually wear or gravitate to during the fall months. Alright, so that's how we're looking. And I'm going to a little bit more, so you know, nice nudie color. If that's what you love, then this one will be perfect. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this Essence Stay Glossy lip gloss on top. You can wear it with or without a gloss. So that's the first one. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more so you could see. All right, that's the first one. Okay. All right, off to number two. I attempted to do this video yesterday, but I came from work and I did it, and I filmed it and everything. But when I looked at it, I was like, my face don't look fresh. I look kind of tired. So here we are again. This one is called Flat Out Fabulous, also from MAC during the Ulta sale. It's a nice pink color. All right, so we're gonna put this on. This one, it feels kind of satiny. Feels really good. You can wear this one with or without a liner. So that's lipstick number 2. What do you think? Do you like this one? It's cute. Number 3. That one, if you want, you can put out like a liner if you want, but it's not necessary at this time. I like to use my foundation brush and just like, you know, clean up around my mouth. Alright. This one is by Jordana. This one I got from the drugstore. Alright, CVS, Walmart, Walgreens. Alright, it's Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this one is called Cherry Cobbler. Alright, so I hope you guys can see how it looks. And then I'm gonna put her on. Very creamy. Feels nice. Let me try to line my lip. Let me bring you in some more. I know you won't be able to see my head, but I just want you to see the lips. Or the top part of my head. It's very easy to put on. And with the wand, you can get into the corners. What do you think of this one? This one, you can't leave it on for too long because it will definitely stain your lips. Ooh. Okay. Okay, guys. So that one is the Jordana one. What do you think? She's pretty. But we're gonna have to take her off really fast because when it dries down, it's hard to come off. This should have been the last one. Okay, guys, that last one, if you're going out and you plan to drink and eat and do all of the things, that's the one you need, because when I tell you, I had a time trying to take it off. So, love that one. So we did that one, that one. Now we're gonna be doing Milani. This one is by Milani. It's called Sangria 21. Right, so it's like a nice, it's like a purpley, reddish color, like dark red. So let's put that one on. This one's very soft. This one's a nice fall color. I mean, you can put on a liner if you like, but it's not necessary. I do have this liner here by Essence, Stay Lip Liner, in the color I Am Shook It. And I'm gonna just line my lips really quick, just to give it a more clean look. but it's definitely not necessary. Okay, so this is Sangria by Milani. Alright, this one comes off a little easier. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, the next one that we have is Maybelline Matte Ink. This one is called Protector. Right, so that's the packaging that it comes in, and it comes with a nice wand. That's how the wand looks, and we're gonna put that one on. This one is like almost like a chocolate burgundy almost looking color. I don't wear dark lipstick a lot, like probably 95% of the time I wear a nude color. I like the wand because it's like small enough for you to be more precise. Very pretty. This one will definitely stain if you wait too long, if you wait for it to dry down. All right, so this is Protector. On to the next. Okay guys, so the next one that I have is Maybelline Vinyl Ink. This one is called Royal. Okay, so it's like a reddish color. Okay, try this one out. This one's definitely giving fall vibes too. They're very soft on the lips. You see me looking to the side, I just have my mirror here. Pretty. Alright, so this one is Royal. Let me know which one is your favorite, okay? Okay guys, the next one is also drugstore friendly. This one is Milani. I love the casing on this one. It's called Poppy, P-O-P-P-Y, number 340, drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, or Milani.com. Alrighty, I've used this one before. It's like a, kind of like a, I would say cherry. And this one, for some reason, it broke. It's giving a hint of like orange. It's very soft. Nice and creamy. So far I think all of these are like $10. Except the MAC one, but it's on, when it's on sale, I got it for 10. But they're all $10 or so. Okay. You can always go back over your lip with like a lip brush to clean it up. But she's very pretty. Look at her. It's kind of giving you like a, yeah, like a tint of orange. So that's Milani-poppy. P-O-P-P-Y. Alright guys, we have one more. After a while your lips started to, you know, feel a little burn. Not too bad, but you're definitely going to need some lip gloss after this. I mean, let me know if you could see the different, you know, the shade. If you can still see, you know they're red. They're different shades of red. Some of them. Alright, the last one is a throwback, guys. The last one is Retro Matte Lipstick Ruby Woo. You guys remember that when that came out? Everyone was getting Ruby Woo. I had it at the time, but this is a brand new one that I purchased from the Ulta sale. Also, so I saved the best for last. Ruby Woo. Alright, so let's put her on. And for this one, I'm going to use my lip liner. The lip liner is just to make it, you know, really nice and crispy. Crispy, crispy. Crisp. Sharp. Okay. This is Ruby Woo. And that's the last one, guys. So let me know which one is your favorite. I really enjoyed these. You know, I'm gonna make sure I wear my lipsticks instead of just wearing nudes. I'm gonna make sure I wear these colors. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope that you like the lipstick colors. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I can find down in the comment section. So if you're looking for a few lipsticks that you can wear for fall or for whatever season that you want to wear it for, because, you know, who has to follow the trend? You don't have to, right? So again, I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Those really help my channel. Share with a friend. Also, subscribe to the channel and also turn on your post notification bell, so whenever I have a next video coming up, you'll be notified. Or when I post a video, you'll be notified. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Bye.